Change.org is the world's largest tech platform for social change and impact across the world. So when we formed our team, we were able to identify kind of things we were missing and found two really good partners that were able to bring in like a lot of good security practices and techniques through their tools to help us with our security issues. So Snyk is, first and foremost, we're using them for SAST, which is a way to statically scan your code, and our engineers are able to interpret that and make remediations in the code before it's published and put into production. And how we're using StackHawk, they partner really well together. StackHawk is a DAS tool, so it's dynamically scanning our web apps once they're live and able to correlate the two companies and the findings together from their tools to really show what's vulnerable and what's exposed and where the attack surface could be from those. Now we have a formalized process for how to scan and how to remediate. Not only have we drastically cut down on the amount of vulnerabilities on our website and on back end, we've been able to use them to fix this stuff, which then protects the people who use Change.org.
Change.org is entirely in AWS. We're built on top of that platform. We heavily use AKS. We heavily use essentially all of the database services that AWS offers, all the queuing services that are offered there, Security Hub, everything and anything that we can, we build on top of that. It's a very small team, and so we tend to leverage things that let us accelerate progress and not have to have a lot of staff to do. We're all about services and software as a service and things that leverage that. By having two tools together that look at it from two different perspectives, whenever we get result out of both tools, we know it's real. I can immediately take it to our head of engineering and say, look, I'm seeing it here, I'm seeing it here. Here's the curl example that's coming out of StackHawk. Here's the data flow analysis coming out of Snyk. This is why it's a vulnerability. Here's how I can demonstrate it to the engineers. They can immediately fix that and then test after they've done the fix to verify that it's actually gone. And that's huge. It turns something that from a security team perspective can oftentimes be the real challenge can be justifying why this is important to fix now into an immediate, oh yes, that is critical and it must be fixed now.